Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. First, I need 500 likes in this video. Please support me. The place where wheels meet honesty. Today, we've got something truly unique and exciting. The 2025 Kenworth Mini Motorhome Truck. Yes, you heard that right. A Kenworth truck turned into a mini motorhome. Let's dive in and see what makes this beast a head-turner on the road and a cozy retreat at the campsite. At first glance, the 2025 Kenworth Mini Motorhome Truck looks like a custom-built dream for anyone who loves trucking and camping. It's built on the legendary Kenworth chassis, which means you're getting all that heavy-duty power and reliability. But what makes it stand out is how it blends that ruggedness with luxury and comfort. Under the hood, it comes with a PACCAR MX-11 engine that delivers impressive torque and fuel efficiency. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or cruising down the highway, this motorhome handles like a champ. And let's not forget, it's a Kenworth. The ride quality and suspension are top tier, especially for a vehicle in this category. Now, stepping inside, this is where things get really cool. The interior is nothing short of spectacular. It's compact, yet smartly designed. You'll find a full-size bed, a kitchenette with a microwave and fridge, a modern bathroom with a shower, and even a cozy lounge area. The use of space is genius. Everything folds, tucks, and slides into place without compromising comfort. The driver's cabin is also loaded with features. Digital dash display, smart navigation, heated leather seats, and a ton of storage. It's designed for long hauls and maximum comfort. Plus, the panoramic windshield gives you incredible views while you drive. Perfect for those long, scenic routes. One thing we love about the 2025 Kenworth Mini Motorhome is its off-grid capability. It comes with solar panels, a powerful inverter, and water tanks large enough for extended stays. So, if you're someone who loves going off the beaten path, this motorhome has your back. As for the price, well, it's definitely on the premium side. But considering you're getting a luxury motorhome built on a commercial truck platform, it's worth every penny for the right buyer. To wrap it up, the 2025 Kenworth Mini Motorhome Truck is a fusion of trucking power and RV comfort. It's made for those who want the best of both worlds, the strength of a big rig and the convenience of a cozy mobile home. If you're into unique builds and road-ready homes, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment letting us know what you'd love to see next. See you on the next ride.